Or not? Let's go, Blue. Blue flies over. Got some money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back at table, and guess what? Blue wants to donate your money. No, ma'am, okay lang kasi yung 50 peso. Sure. Since okay naman naman, about the second round, 1,000 pa. So ma'am, okay na mga 1,000 ko na ma'am. Wala na. So it's just part of the show. We'll return the money, but first, Blue wants to have a picture with you or souvenir. Okay now, follow trainer's urban instruction. Now give us your best smile and pose for Instagram or Facebook. Okay, now here's your money, ma'am. Hi, ma'am. You know, a round of applause for our... So this is Tweety, that is Snow, and that is Nigel. Now here with me is our super rusted cockatoo Tweety. Now this bird preferred a habitat along the edges of subtropical and tropical rainforest. Highly needed object. Gold is searching using his psychic power, and there you go, she found it! Now a round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie. Ay po na siya pinashy type. So say hi to everyone, Goldie. There you go, so pinashy na yan. So here is Emotion Park, we have 3 blue and gold compound. So earlier, ito na play yung basketball, all to see blue and also. So pag Goldie, kahit mo niya later. Louder! I heard 40. Okay, last number. Louder, how about this side? Erase ko yan. 4, 5. 5. So our equation is 40 plus 5. You all know the answers, right? So before we call our math vision, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Okay, now this number has been shuffled. Let's go in our math wizard, Snow. Once again, Snow is our Moluccan up 2. Okay, Snow, our equation is 40 plus 5. Okay, 40 plus 5. So, ang technique ani guys, every night, mag-module pa din silang trainer. So, ready na mo, trainer? Okay, na solve it, Snow. And she picks up number 4. So it's the first number, correct? So medyo di sure sila. Okay, so now up to the second number. And there you go, she picks up number 5. And Tajat, right? So a round of applause for our math wizard, Snow. Silos. Now they are called serpent eagles because in the wild, they usually hunt on snakes. So just a fun fact, both Kingdom and Freddy are rescued birds from the DNR last ECQ period. So pag-abot dito sa Ocean Park, get trained and get nourished. Okay guys, ready your camera as Freddy will fly over. Okay, now there you go. members of Great Kingdom and Freddy. Now, homing pigeon has a innate ability, meaning they'll always go back to its nest and mate. So, bisan asa pa na sila malaang, mahuli na kita sila. So, manaw pa na sila din.